Secondly, I want to revisit parity of esteem. When in HE the binary line disappeared in 92, 93, it didn't magically change everything overnight in terms of the difference between the old public sector institutions and the universities. It didn't magically shift some of the assumptions about the difference between so-called academic subject and vocational subject. But it gave a huge opportunity, and that opportunity has been taken in lots of ways. It was taken, and there are failures in it, particularly around some of the new forms of qualification that have come and gone in 16 to 19, so that was elsewhere. But on the whole, I think it provided an opportunity which certainly many universities all took, to say, let's understand better the wide spectrum of work we do or can do. Let's understand the relation between the whole range of subjects, what we might call traditional A-level subjects, the biology, the chemistry, the physics, the English, the history, and the business, the sport, the engineering, the pharmacy, whatever it is. And certainly, speaking for my university, Brighton, and a number of others I know, we've done a lot of work to build up our understanding of both of those wings, if you like, of education and the interrelation between them. At Brighton, we have quite a strong policy, wherever possible, to co-locate work. I'll take sport as an example. In our Chelsea School of Sport, we have sport and exercise science, PE, sport journalism, sport and leisure cultures, which is a kind of theory sociology course. We co-locate very straightforward vocational courses, if you like, that name their aim in degree title, with courses that are deliberately more academic, reflective, theoretical, and don't have as strong a vocational aim in view. We deliberately co-locate them so the students talk together, the staff work together. The interrelation is part of the project. But, of course, there are things now pressing back the other way. The use of the return of headline A-level grades in their most traditional form, in terms of some of the funding for universities. So everybody's going around saying, where can I find an AAD student? If I can, I'll give them a laptop, and then maybe he'll come. Some of the messages that are emerging from fee differentiation will be turned into messages about the difference between academic and vocational courses again. And some of those issues are still with us. The kind of issue that says, if somebody's done a history A-level, they're probably suitable to do a business degree. But if somebody's done a vocational award, national diploma level in business, they're probably not suitable to do history. That kind of crossover issue is still with us. And although a lot of work was done on it, a lot of progress is made, there's a danger that the current situation may reverse it. So what I'm saying is, I think there are some pressures now to press back and reverse some of the good work that's been done. I don't have any magical answers to that, other than to say we must not let the issue die. In fact, we've got to discuss it more than we've done in the past few years. We've got to look at how that plays within FE colleges, the relationship between especially colleges that have a wide range of provision, strong A-level as well as strong vocational areas. We need to look at it in terms of HE needs to understand, and I'll return to this issue a bit in terms of the County of Sussex this time. We need to understand how we construct the totality of the provision, the relationship between the elements, and how there's a sense of mutuality. And also we need to see this as a spectrum. I've described something that could be seen as binary too much. But of course there are many traditional classic university courses, medicine, law, engineering, a whole range of ones, which necessarily contain very, very strong applied and vocational elements in them, sometimes totally applied vocational. And we need to just re-energise that debate and keep it moving, because if we don't, pressures moving the other way may push it back. So that issue's got to come back on the table. We've got to understand what we mean by it.